Acclimatise the Heatpak before fitting. We recommend the next stage is done away from the heating. Once you have unpacked the Heatpak dual overboard system and identified the 3mm baseboard, mark out carefully the baseboard ready for cutting to size in conjunction with the layout diagram provided in the Heatpak. The boards can be scored with a utility knife. Score the boards several times. Once the boards have been scored, snap them carefully. Carefully remove the protective film from all of the boards. Place the 3mm baseboards into position following the Heatpak layout diagram. Take care to lay the boards with the adhesive layer facing upwards. Taking your pre-cut 4mm top board, place this carefully in position. And when ready, energize the adhesive with a rubber mallet. Take care to energize the whole board. Repeat this process over the whole floor area. Once completed, the area should look like this. You can lightly sand the joints if you need to. You can now lay your final floor covering, whether this be carpet or vinyl.